Today I'll show you how to create a timesheet for employees in Google Sheets that is extremely easy to set up and use. Start by creating the following headings: date, clock in, clock out, lunch, hours, and saldo. We'll now format the different columns appropriately. Start by selecting the first column, click Format, Number, and Custom Number Format. In the Custom Number Format field, enter how you wish the date to show up. Y equals year. Use 3 Ys if you want all 3 digits of the year to show up. M equals month. Use 2M if you want the month to show up as a number, and 3M if you want the month to show up as text, for example, January, February, March, etc. D equals day. Use 2 Ds if you want the day to show up as a number, and 3 Ds if you want the day to show up as a weekday, for example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. In my case, I'll write 3 M's dash 2 Ds dash and 3 Ds and click apply. Now, if we write a date in the date column, it will be reformatted automatically according to our specifications. Now we'll format the clock in and clock out columns. Select them, click Format, Number, and Custom Date and Time. This time we'll choose one of the formats from the list and click Apply. Finally, we'll format the 3 final columns: lunch, hours, and saldo. Select these columns, click Format, Number, and select Duration. Now, in the first hour cell, choose the first clock out cell and subtract the clock in and lunch cells from it to get the total time you have worked that day. Then we move to the saldo column. This will be used to keep track of your hour saldo, or in other words, how much you work over time. First, create a keys list where you include how much time you work in a given full day. Then, in the first saldo column, subtract the hours you work in a full day from the hours cell in the key list. This will give you the net saldo of the day. For the subsequent cells in the saldo column, do the same, but also add the previous saldo cell to keep track of the total amount of saldo hours you have. Now you can copy down this formula for the remaining cells. However, remember that during weekends, you should not subtract the hours worked in a given full day of work, as you hopefully do not work on weekends. And there you have it, an easy to use timesheet. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a like, and thank you so much for watching.